And
when you come here, okay. ግን በፌስታይም ነው ማስታ
Okay.
Do it አሁን ምን ሞራልናስከተውም ይታዘብሽ
ነው እንጀራው አይን አለው እንደዚህ ትችላለህ አትችልም ይሄ
ዝም በይ እባክሽ ምን ይሄ ከሱቅ እየገዛሽ ደግሞ ትችላለህ ነው ምጣድሽን አሳይ
አቤዳቦ ሱቅ ብሎ ነገር የለም ጀርመኒ ውስጥ አንተ ያመካል እንዴ ሱቅ እንጀራ የሚሸጥበት ሱቅ የለም ጀርመኒ ውስጥ ፕሊዝ
ጀርመኒ ያላችሁ ሰዎች ንገሩኝ እውነቷን ነው
ቢኖርም ትልልቅ ሲቲ ውስጥ ነው የሚኖረው እኔ ትልልቅ ሲቲ ውስጥ አይደለም የምኖረው
ገዝተሽ ነው ሃና ሀቢቢ
አቤጃ በሃና ደግሞ ህንን ያርግሽ ማለት ነው ነጭ ተስተላ
ሰልባዬሽ በሚስጥር ሲወጡ ሳይ
ወይ ሌለኝ መስላለሁ አሁን እኔ እጄን ይው ጥፍር ራሱ እኮ እንደው በላይ በላይ ያው ፕሊዝ ምድረ ብታው
Guys, she didn't buy it. Zima actually cooked.
Honey, አናደሽኝ ወጥቻለሁ በቃ ይቅርብኝ love you guys bye
Guys, Zima cooks really good Ethiopian food, I swear. Oh my gosh, I'm so surprised Comment has the confidence now.
ምን እንዴት ነው ኮንፊደንስ የለኝ እንዴ እኔ እኮ ድሮም ነገራችሁ ስለማይጠመኝ ምርምቱ እገባለሁ እኮ
ዝበላቦ ምን እንትን ይላል ዝበላቦ ምን ነው
እባክሽ ምን ታዩ እናወጋለን ቆይ
Guys, by the way, Comment he tried to like figure out like who let you many in Zima.
ምን ቆይ ha አንቺ
As you like Jinjana to Filigale like but it's not like just Jinjana. It's
ማለ እንትን ይላል ይፈራል ምናምን ብለሽ ማለት ነው
Guys, attack Comment.
የኔ ልብ ድውድው
አንቺ ሄተር ነው የምታመጪብኝ ወደዛ ዞር በይልኝ እንደዚህ አትበይኝ ባይሆን እንደዛ ስትሉ ከፊቶች እየመጡ ነው አሁን ጌም ንገሩኝ
ምን
ጌም ንገሩኝ ከፊት የሆኑ ሴቶች እየመጡ ነው አስጨንቃቸው ነው ጌም ንገሩኝ
አበዳቦ
ትላረክ ንገሩኝ እንጥራቸው ነው ማለት ለምን ማለት
Cry tomorrow, Gimash Lib. You wish. But when I close live, it's a whole different other story. I have a good life. I don't know about you though. They make fun of this, you know, the mister. They say like they try to be so smart. They're like, oh, naga Gimash Lib anchi. You know, Lemon befits Gimash Lib because Hulum best social media now. Everything was social media. Everything was put on social media. That's
why is Gamash Lib? Why half heart? For what?
Because before, like, I was sad.
Sad unit. ብዙ ነገር ነው ያመለጠሽ አንቺ እዚህ ላይ ወደ ባለም ጋርሽ ማርያም
አንተ ዝም በላው ስለማን እየተወራ እንደሆነ መራሱ ማጣቅ ዝም በል
ምንም እኔ ያየሁትን እኔ ነኝ የማውቀው እናንተ ለኔ ንገሩኝ ባይሆን እሺ የምታውቁ ሰዎች ለኔ ንገሩኝ አናይረከም እንዳትነግሩ ሰዎች እነሱ ተው
እየተጫወተባችሁ ነው ያራዳ ልጆች ነው እሺ
ያራዳሉ ይኸው ማን እንደሚያዋጣችሁ ያራዳ ልጅ ይደል እኔ ነኝ የማዋጣችሁ ረፍ ምን ይላል ይኸው ወገድ እኔ ነገ ከነገ ወዲያ ዲፖርት ብደረግ አገር ነው የምገባው እኔ ይሻላችኋለሁ እሷ በማታርግላችሁ እኔ ዳችሁ ነው የምዞረው ብሬን አብረን እንበለዋለን ብሬን አብረን እንበለዋለን ያው ምን
Good job, Daisy. Bro, I hate like I don't any luck like in Dates Zima like she's so strong. Tuck Elish guys, like if you guys have known Zima like and Amit, every balagi comment and that's what she defends herself like so strongly. It's just any like balagi comments Ali. I feel like I want to stop social media for like underwear, bruh. I don't know how she does it.
Guys, it's so cool, miskiness. I'm actually like miskiness, but I mean, it said what way you want to tell us not yammer has knowledge. And again, when I see bad comments, the manam nagar sai, masabo nante, silkachu feel lefit, and the zikut velatu, hype yaragachu no. And it's the guy could be brilliant around, you know, that's what I think. Two different Nintendo. So
you're so strong. You're so strong. Guys, Zima follow our group by the way. Guys, follow her right now.
ስለዚህ እረፉ፣ እንትን አትበሏት፣ አትስደቧት፣ አታሳዝኗት በእናታችሁ። በከዚ እሷ በእውነተኛ ህይወቷ ውስጥም አፌክት ያደርጋታል እናንተ የምትሏት ነገር ማለት ነው። እሺ
እሺ I swear this is why I love Zima. I love you so much. Jesus.
ወይኔ ኮመንት እያትሄድ ኮመንት በሞቴ ኮመንት በቃ
Look, Zima.
ጊዜያችን ስላየሁ ደስ ብሎኛል።
Did you see that?
እየደረሰ ነው።
Do it again. Ante went.
ምኑ ነው ማረገው?
ሌላ ጊዜ
ምኑ ማረገው? ላስቀምጠው ስልኩ?
አንተ አይደለም በእናትህ
ላስቀምጠው?
እንዴ
ምን ማለት
I know
ነው?
he hears me. He's watching. Like,
Nati, you know. Nati, look. Nati, me and Nati have beef. Did you see what he put in his story? Did you see that?
what? Man.
He put the picture where we wrote on our foreheads.
Are you serious? Yet Instagram now?
I told him no, not anymore. I told him please take it down until Nati when I catch you, Nati.
We have beef, bro.
And don't flower like a melody that color. I'll fell again.
You say why you lying, Zima?
Oh my god. Nati, did I not shoot?
I swear I have beef with him too, bro.
Screenshots. I don't have a screenshot of the picture, but I have a screenshot of me telling him, take it down now. It was a prank. He said, look, it was a prank. You see? Mm-hmm. And you know what?
Comment, just commented wishets. Bro.
Drama maker. Like, seriously, please.
Bennett, no.
I'm gonna start using that. You were talking about some Ante went. እንዴት ነሽ ዘማ? አለሁልሽ ናትዬ። እንዴት ነህ አንተ?
Comment ንገረኝ like ሁሉም ሰዎች like lemon Zima like በጣም like ጀግና ነሽ ንገረኝ።
ምን?
አዎ ተናገር።
ምን ዜማ ጀግና ነሽ ምናምን ብዬ ላወራ መቼ ነው የማላደርገው? ትቀልጃለሽ።
ቀልድ አይደለም እንዴ?
አሄት እያደረኩኝ አይደለም።
It's what Zema. I'm not coming on a game with you.
ነው የማደርገው በነገራችን ላይ ዜማ።
I know that's what you're gonna say.
ይሄን ስናገር በሙሉ ልቤ ነው። ሪከርድ አድርጉት። አሄት ዜማ።
Kick him out of here. Kick him out. Okay, bye. He really thought.
You thought this was his live or something?
Kick him out of here. Eat him out. I'm making a remix of someone's music here.
You have to be Jagna like Zima. Guys, the thing about Zima, she's so strong.
Nati just said he's making a remix out of someone's music.
Oh my gosh, Zima, I was live with him today.
Oh my god,
he was trying to make fun of him like Yeni Zafin.
Ante,
Guys, have confidence. No, Zima is my confidence. I can't. I said it was good. I don't care, Nati, bro. I don't care. We got you. Zima.